Thanks for your kind suggestions in my previous video. I'm eager to start, not teaching, but feeding you info of free-living amoebae. There are two, I'll do one now, another in my next video. Let's get started. Among many free-living amoebae, only few can cause human disease. I couldn't underline the organisms' names, please don't forget to do that. 3 diseases are the most common. 1. Primary amoebic meningoencephalitis (PAM), caused by Naegleria fowleri. 2. Granulomatous amoebic encephalitis (GAE), and 3. Chronic amoebic keratitis (CAC). Both of these diseases caused by Acanthamoeba culbertsoni. PAM and CAC cases found in healthy individuals, whereas the GAE found in immunodeficient patients. These free-living are amphizoic organisms. Endozoic, multiply inside the host, and exozoic, free-living conditions, outside host. All of these, you can give as intro to both of the organisms which we will be discussing. Now, Naegleria fowleri. It's a single species under genus Naegleria. It causes PAM, is a brain infection, leads to destruction of brain tissues. History, you can find it in description box. I don't find need to describe it here. Morphology, 3 forms, 1 cyst form, 2 trophozoite forms. Trophozoites are amoeboid form and flagellate form. Amoeboid form is the invasive and infective form of this parasite. There is this term called amoebostomes, are the highly vacuolated body of amoeba which are used for engulfing RBCs and WBCs. Those vacuoles vary in number, depending on the strains. Amoeboid form seen in surface of vegetation, mud, water. It's a feeding, growing and replicating form. Flagellate form having 2 flagella. Pear-shaped. This form can revert to amoeboid form, as its name amoeboflagellate. It can transform into flagellate form within a minute when transferred into distilled water. Cyst form appears when the trophozoite is facing hard time, with unfavorable environment. That's called encystation. Life cycle, infection occurs during swimming, in warm fresh water and poor maintained pools. Flagellate form helps in locomotion, when it needs to transfer to new water bodies. When enter human, flagellate form reverts to amoeboid forms to infect or invade. Clinical features: root. Amoebae invade the nasal mucosa, pass through the olfactory nerve branches in the cribriform plate into the meninges, brain to initiate an acute purulent meningitis and encephalitis called PAM. Symptoms: fever, headache, vomiting, stiff neck, coma. Within week patient reaches the heaven. Sorry, I wanna say it's fatal. Diagnosis: wet mount of freshly obtained CSF, to find trophozoites. At autopsy, bioimmunofluorescence staining, brain histology for demonstration of trophozoite. Culture, non-nutrient agar plates coated with E. coli. Both trophozoite and cyst form can be observed. Molecular diagnosis, PCR technology. Treatment, amphotericin B instilled directly into brain or IV. Early administration of combined drug, of miconazole and sulfadiazine, with limited success. More than 95% cases are fatal, despite of treatment. Coming up, a diagram of organism and route of entry. Thanks for your patience. God bless you. Do well.